In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a PDF to accept digital signatures through tools like FoxIt Editor and through the Adobe Reader application. Please note that people will not be able to sign these documents using Preview. Preview does not have this functionality built into it for Mac OS, but all Mac OS users in the Division of Academic and Student Affairs have access to Adobe Reader and will be able to sign. So let's get started. The first thing we need is a PDF document that we want to accept signatures. And so we're going to open that with our FoxIt PDF editor. Okay, here we have a service level agreement document and I want to accept signatures. So what I'm going to do is go to Form, and then in the Form editor, there's a little pen tool here, and this will allow us to accept signatures and define that. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the signature area here, and we're going to call this department signature, and let's go into all properties, and we'll call this department signature. And the tooltip will just be click to sign. And we can change the appearance if we'd like to, and the position, all that sort of stuff. We don't actually need to change any other settings. We're just going to leave it at that. And we want to accept the date, so we're going to pick the date tool and draw in a date field right here. And we'll call this department date. And we're going to go into properties and click on format. And I want to get a 4-digit date. Okay, let's do that for the strategic partner signature line as well. And so we're going to come back in and draw this back on here. And this time we're going to do SP signature. And we don't need to change anything, but I am going to say SP signature to sign. And let's draw another date tool in. There we go. And we'll do SP date. And again, we want to set that format to include a 4-digit year. Okay. At this point, all we have to do is click Save, and it's all done. Now, I do want to say a word about accepting signatures in this way. There are times when you need to accept a legal signature and times when you are asking for something as a formality on an internal document. If you ever need a signature that needs to mean something, if it were used in any sort of dispute, let's say on a contract, a service agreement, anything like that, you really need to work with your department head to have conversations about what is the most appropriate use of a signature tool. In this case, the service level agreement that we're asking for is really just a recognition between two departments inside of the Division of Academic and Student Affairs to demonstrate that we've reviewed this together and on what date we reviewed it. That is not a formal agreement or anything like that. It's just a one-to-one acknowledgement of what we're doing. And so that's why it's appropriate here, but it may not be appropriate in all cases. NC State University has a number of tools that will allow you to collect legally binding signatures. So please make sure that you don't just default to using this signature method when another may be more appropriate and legally binding. There's another video that will show how to actually sign documents created in this way. And so be sure to check that out on our YouTube channel. Thanks so much and have a great day.